And the winds also brought down a big tree in the San Fernando Valley. KCAL 9's Jeff Nguyen is live tonight in Saugus with that video. Jeff.
Well, Susie, the wind has been pretty erratic across the Santa Clarita Valley for most of this night. And according to the Southern California Air Quality Management District, the high winds could lead to some health concerns for certain people. Strong winds took down this tree in a Van Nuys neighborhood near Cold Bath and Hart Friday evening. Luckily, it didn't hurt anyone or damage any homes. In Saugus, gusty winds were on the minds of Jasmine McCollum and her sister, who bundled up for a rather brisk evening stroll with their dogs.
It's definitely a lot colder than normal because the wind just kind of cuts through you. As you can tell, I'm wearing a huge jacket.
The wind whipped through the Santa Clarita Valley for most of Friday and into the night.
It's been a little scary. You drive your car and it's wobbly and shaky and it's been freezing.
From this view of the San Fernando Valley, you can see why a dust advisory went into effect across Southern California because of strong Santa Ana winds. Back in Saugus, some people say their internet service is often affected when the wind acts up.
The kids were in there trying to order food and they couldn't because the internet was down.
But the key is to make sure everything in the backyard is locked down.
We have a pool. Most of our patio furniture lands in our pool, so we're fishing that out, when the winds get like this.
We do have to tie some of the furniture down. One time our neighbor's trampoline came over into our yard.
And the dust advisory is expected to last through Sunday, so people with sensitive respiratory issues should stay indoors and avoid rigorous physical activity. We are live in Saugus. Jeff Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.
Thank you, Jeff. And to get the latest wind updates right on your phone, just download our free CBS Los Angeles weather app.